In this section, we're going to learn how to use Xcode Instrument to analyze the performance of our app. Instrument is a powerful and flexible performance analysis and testing tool that is part of the Xcode toolset. It is designed to help you profile your apps, processes, and devices in order to better understand and optimize their behavior and performance. Incorporating instruments into your workflow from the beginning of the app development process can save you time by helping you find issues early in the development cycle. By using instruments effectively, you can examine the behavior of one or more apps or processes. You can perform profiling in a simulator or on a physical device. You can track down problems in your source code. You can conduct performance analysis on your app. You can find memory problems in your app, such as leaks, abandoned memory, and zombies. And finally, you can identify ways to optimize your app for greater power efficiency. These are some of the things that you can do by using the Xcode Instruments. In order to launch Xcode Instruments, if you go to the product menu at the top here and simply click on the profile, this will present to you all of the profiling templates that are available. We're going to be covering some of these templates. For example, if you want to launch the activity monitor on your app, you can simply choose the activity monitor and then click on choose, and this is going to launch a new window where you're going to be able to profile your app. There are so many things that you can use the profile for. You can use it to check memory allocations. You can use it to check the core animation performance. You can use it to check for memory leaks, game performance, system trays, system usage, and so on and so forth. One thing to keep in mind is that the colors are not random. For example, if you look at the orange color, you can see that the memory allocation, the memory leaks, and the zombies, they are all orange. This means that the orange colored ones, they are for memories. Also, if you look at the purple color, you can see the core animations, the game performance, metal, system, and the scene kit. All of these purple colors, they are for the games and animation. System resources such as the file activity, the system usage, and the network, they are red in colors. So I'm just going to simply select a blank template and then click on choose. If you click on the plus sign here, you can see a lot more options that you can track: advanced graphics statistics, Bluetooth on or off, brightness log, Coco layout, core animation FPS. So you have more templates to choose from once you have the instrument running. Another way for you to launch the instrument is when you run your app. So let me run the app. If you go to the Debug Navigator and select, for example, the CPU, so I'm going to select the CPU, you can see a button here that says Profile in Instrument. So let's click on that button. It will ask you if you want to transfer the current running instance to the instrument. So I'm just simply going to say transfer, and it's going to launch the instrument, and the instrument is going to automatically start tracking. But let me pause this for now. This is another way for you to bring up the instrument. You can bring up the instrument from the Debug Navigator. So let me close the instrument one more time. Let's bring up instrument again by going to the product and then profile. This is going to launch the instrument. Sometimes it might be a better idea for you to launch the instrument while it is attached to your phone. What I'm going to do is to select the activity monitor option and then click on choose. This will launch the activity monitor. You can see that we have the Xcode Troubleshoot app currently running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on start recording. So this will launch the app and it's going to start recording activity inside of our app. So keep in mind that this activity monitor is actually the same activity monitor that you have on your Mac. This will show you all of the live processes inside of your Mac. If you want to limit this activity monitor to only show the project, you can simply filter it at the bottom here. So here I'm going to type Xcode Troubleshoot just to filter the project, and you can see that we have the project name here. We can see that at the moment it's using 0% CPU. Let me stop the recording, and I'm going to drag the head to where we are using 100%. You can see here we have 99% CPU. It's using about 6.27 megabytes. We have some basic information about our app inside of this activity monitor. The purpose of this video is to show you how to launch Xcode Instruments. Xcode Instruments allows you to measure some of your app performance so that you can compare the performance now to the performance of your app in the future. Learning to use the Xcode Instrument is very important because it allows you to analyze the performance of your app.